Natalie Berth here doing a profile mini review for Alyssa here, who is a corporate general counsel, corporate attorney. Right off the bat, of course, I would suggest that she brings her face forward so we're not looking at head and shoulders. We're just looking at her face and the gorgeous smile she's got. And then, of course, never to leave a dreaded gray box. At the very least, she could have a quote or something to the effect of what she really appreciates about the law. Um, and or her personal philosophy, or even some issues that she really cares about, right, if she was interested in a particular topic. This also is an opportunity for her to bring that in a little bit here in her LinkedIn headline as well. As I go through her profile, though, and this is a really common thing for people who work at a certain level, is there's very little information here about the companies that she works for, which is fine. She doesn't need to completely promote them. But what would be really helpful is just a single sentence to explain what this business is so that we're not jumping off and going into another place. We kind of go down a different rabbit hole, right? We want to make sure that what we're really interested when we go onto our profiles, that people stay on our profiles. And so that would be this thing, and then maybe another sentence or two what her overall general um, responsibilities are related to what she does for this company. The advantage to this is it just kind of gives people a better idea of what you're responsible for, what the overall um, problem things are. Now, she does say that she also does compliance professional. That can mean a lot of things if we're talking about risk assessment or even cybersecurity compliance, right? And so we would want to flesh out a little bit about what that means. Also, add some new recommendations. I would just like to have a little bit more information, get a little bit more personal on this, and make it a little bit more vibrant and dynamic, that kind of brings you to be not just somebody who's capable of what you're doing, but also an interesting person, right? Because we want to bring our whole selves into our businesses and our jobs when we're going for that. Like I said, we want to add some recommendations. She would be able to show off some of the compliance work she does by pulling in the project section on her LinkedIn profile. Okay. Thank you to Alyssa for allowing me to review her profile. If you would like a review yourself, let me know in the comments, and I will tag you when it's available. Thanks.